uniform, so I had to crash their stomach.
So hopefully all is going to be okay down there.
I got it.
All over. Yeah, well, I had to be ringing him up tomorrow. What's he reckon he's going to get him a sticker? He said, if you're reading this, I'm upside down again.
My goodness. Do we look sick or what?
Probably done the dollar
Oh, you want to get a
Wear those photos too. Yeah. Obviously last season and now...
What are you on about, Emma? Are you even listening?
Was it? Oh, yeah, it was.
Ah.
Alright, Hopkins going to sit this one out in the middle of the shooting form.
Press that go, guys.
So, retirement, 14 Hopkins has load on it, inclusion of time.
Text me.
Important for
Bitches,
your
it's
record.
okay, I get on my speed.
Brian
They know
Philby
that
and
I'm
Glenn Bush come back into the red gate.
Yep, you know
Nathan
that.
Fleck, Gavin Guy will come back
I don't
into
know.
blue, here they come now. Josh Pascoe and Greg Slack, and Josh Control. Goes straight to the start.
You've got about coming down. You've got to give you all riggies and I'll ride the second day for you.
32 Hopkins and Daniel
I did it right around the dark. I would have got the good bite there.
So the lineup,
About it and you go, nah,
Tate Stewart with 5, Ray Martin at Adelaide. Adelaide Lion Market, Warm Team, and
I don't know, I'm going to fucking find out. They didn't play.
It's a bit of a better start there for Pascoe. Still dribbling a little bit left, so they can get on top of that one around the outside. That's a sure play. They've got problems with their own playing with Nathan Fleet and Cam. They are fired up out there.
It doesn't fix the problem what we're trying to do as well.
Roll out the front. And we've got, I reckon, a red collusion one about to come on.
Ambos have come off the track.
Looking for somewhere to eat at Crystal Brook. You've got to go to the Cook Bakery. It's pretty easy to find. Oh, look after you. It came from Gilman.
What's that fucking thing?
And like push on that.
Oh really? Is that what it's for?
Uh-huh.
Alright, yeah.
No way. No way you just said that.
Alright guys,
We're on. Let's go, Spud.
Right side afternoon.
day watching some of those big days.
Wait, that actually sounds like a good night. Look, I'm just keen for Centenary. Thought I could
Yeah, man. Sort of members running for us. Oh, guys, you need some hand? You need a hand? Look at that, boys. Just fucking old shit.
Yeah. So strange.
I ate one too many burgers today.
I got too much fucking dry.
Yeah.
Ruby Chapman out of white, and this could be quite an interesting and close little event. Three riders, similar abilities. Chapman is
Oh, yours.
just come up out of the opposite ship, and he's been through every time out.
I can't lie. I can't even lie. It kind of sounds cool though.
Lunch filtering and stuff, we weren't getting enough signal. That's all right. We're just going to leave this here and do it again tonight. Yeah, I'm just taking out the worst of it. Good. I'm sure that
Watch out for that.